Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Do you want to save yourself time and effort? Well, DEXI has totally done that for me. Where we live, it rains a lot and there's quite a bit of muddy roads. So I was so happy to find a simple solution to be able to catch all that dirt and mud and not have to clean my floors all the time. I love how easy it is to take care of this mat because it didn't matter if I wanted to use the vacuum to vacuum it up, or if I needed to sweep off the mat, or even if it got super muddy and I needed to hose it down. It works either way. The one thing that stuck out to me was the quality of this mat because the tufts are so thick and durable. So you feel like whenever you're going to use it and rub your feet on it, you don't have to worry about them picking or pulling. And this was really made with a lot of thought because the edging and the backing is made with this durable rubber that doesn't slip or slide around when you step on it. I'm the type of person who likes options, so I was really happy how many different types of styles there was to choose from. This one in particular I thought was very attractive, so I felt real comfortable using it inside in the front entryway, or even if I just wanted to throw it down in front of my kitchen sink. And this size is so nice. It's the 2 foot by the 4 foot, so it gave me plenty of room at my front door, or if I just wanted to throw it down to catch the mud before we even entered the porch. So if you're ready to save yourself time and effort of mopping those muddy floors all the time, I'd highly recommend these indoor-outdoor mats. And that is just my point of view.